actually is burping. Right, my sidekick is asleep.
6 dust puss puss juniors. Okay, well they're not really sleeping.
Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the moment where I embarrass myself, is... I'm taking this. Even worse. I started burping.
The return of the microwave. Yes. And this evil villain, isn't it so shiny? This evil villain has one speech to say. Hello. And this speech that you've all been waiting for. The one, the only, comes along. He steps to the microphone and says, okay, so I know it's the king of burping. Yes. And what the? My kitchen escaped!